Okay, good. Hi everybody. This is just my fake voice. This is my real voice. I just like to do this voice because it's really my age. Okay, I may do a lot of crazy stuff. And just to warn you, I am not on crack.
What?
Mom, I do a lot of creepy stuff. Mama says I'm on some kind of drugs and by my friends. Okay, so just doing my little stretches. Oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Did you hear that? Oh, I cracked. Oh, dude, that really hurt. Oh, shoot, I was about to crack. Okay. Now, I am gonna do, what am I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you a little warning and a message. And whatever you say, I approve this message. Okay. If you never feed your dog, if you never feed him, just say, oh, it's such a big deal. No, up to my heart. No, honey boo boo jail. Alright? Because if you do, good luck. When I don't feed my dog, he's like, and I'll show you right now. I'll just lead you to my dog and then we'll fight a lot. Okay, let's go. Say, this is where my dog is. I got him. Chickies! Okay. I have my dog Chickies now. And I want to a sample. I just need to get him on that. I just hit my head. Bye. See how he really gets you. Ooh, it didn't work.